So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to get your TON Memo Tag from your Tonkeeper. So first, you just have to open your Tonkeeper account. And once you open it, you just have to click on the send icon. And as you can see, it asks for your address, amount, as well as the comment. So in this case, we are going to use the Binance. And after that, you will see this page or this at home when you click your Binance application. And once you're in, just simply access your account and navigate to the assets section located at the bottom right corner of the screen. And you just have to click on the add funds button. Once you click on that, you will see the I have crypto assets. Click on that and use the search bar for you to able to search for TON. Once you click on that, you will see this page. You just have to click or copy the deposit address as well as the TON memo. After that, go back to Tonkeeper. After that, you just have to paste the wallet address that you copied earlier from the Binance application. Once you already copied and paste it on the Tonkeeper wallet, under the required comment, you just have to paste the memo tag that you find on your Binance application.